Okay, that thing right there
What thing? That one?
needs to fit in here.
Which thing?
The shade there needs to fit in this bag.
Okay, in the back.
I'll read the directions to you. Okay, you already have it here in half. Okay, see, like that. You put your foot here on the front.
Like that?
Well, you need to move this out because you're going to fold it.
Okay.
How about, let's do it right there so it doesn't get full of, look, it gets full of grass and stuff.
Okay, so I get my foot up here?
No, look. You get in front. Okay, so right here. Okay, then it says, firmly grasp corners with your thumbs facing up. That's a corner, and this is a corner.
Oh, yeah?
And begin to bring it down to about thigh level. Look. See? Bring it down to thigh level. Put your foot on the bottom. I'll read the directions to you. Okay, you already have it here in half. Okay, see, like that. You put your foot here on the front.
Like that?
Well, you need to move this out because you're going to fold it.
Okay.
How about, let's do it right there so it doesn't get full of, look, it gets full of grasses.
Okay. Is that what we need right there?
That's a taco, Dave.
Tato! Alright. So. We're here.
Okay, look at the directions. Okay, you're right here. See? Flip your wrist towards you. See, she doesn't let go. So you have it, and this is the corner.
Oh, yeah?
And begin to bring it down to about thigh level. See, bring it down to thigh level. Put your foot on the bottom. Flip your wrist towards you and push the center bottom. So you're still holding it on the corner. See, here's a corner and a corner. Okay, flip your wrist towards you. No, I think you still hold it. And you just flip your wrist towards you. Okay, and push the center bottom of the structure into the center fold. You may need to use your knee to help do this.
So where's the center fold? Is it inside? Good, turn around.
Well, look. See?
It's going to all fit in there.
No, it fits in here, not necessarily in
Yeah,
the pouch.
but then what we do is we fold it enough to get it in that.
I don't see it in here. I'll read the directions to you. You look close. Oh my gosh, he did it! Oh my gosh! He's a genius!
Do it again.
You're smarter than me. I couldn't do it. He did it! Yay!
Let's do this again. Think you can do it again?
No.
Girlfriend?
I'm not trying it again.